Just an hour outside of Medellín, there's a quiet little town perched high in the green hills of Antioquia. A place known for miracles, peaceful cow pastures, and one of the most beautiful basilicas in the region. This is San Pedro de los Milagros, and we visited on Holy Saturday, just in time to witness something truly special. We stopped briefly in San Félix and Ovejas, peaceful villages with their own timeless charm. On the way, there's many outlooks, places to have a snack, restaurants, and ways to have a leisurely cruise through the countryside of Antioquia. This is one of my favorite things to do in Colombia, puebleando they call it. Going from town to town, no rush, just enjoying the beautiful nature and all the views. We stopped just long enough to capture a few moments and keep moving. But you could spend a good part of the day just stopping and checking things out. The drive there was easy, just winding roads, green hills, and that fresh mountain air. When we pulled into town, there were lots of people out for Holy Week. But even with all the activity, the place felt calm and still in its own way. San Pedro de los Milagros, a town known for its religious devotion, dairy farms, and stunning views. At the heart of it all, the Basilica Menor, the reason San Pedro is called the City of Miracles. Towering and beautiful, it stands like a guardian over the plaza, a gathering place for faith, culture, and tradition. That afternoon, we stepped inside the church, and it took our breath away. Every inch of the ceiling was covered in stunning hand-painted artwork, glowing in the soft light. You could feel something sacred in the air. Before the procession began, we had an incredible lunch just outside the church. Chorizo, chicharrón, and barbecue ribs, all grilled over a barrel by one of the local artisanal vendors. It felt like a true Colombian feast. This place is highly recommended. I'll put the info down in the description. I believe they are in the center on Sundays and festivos. Afterward, we grabbed a coffee from a cozy cafe on the main square and watched as the sun began to set. It was very festive, and you could feel the anticipation, almost like the whole town was holding its breath before something sacred. The musicians started to show up in the coffee shop right before the procession began. One of the cool things I noticed about the service is a lot of the musicians and people are helping out with all the activities, or a lot of the young people from the town. It felt very wholesome, very community and family oriented. As the sun set, the entire community gathered, some with candles in hand.
De un modo especialísimo en el corazón de la Virgen, colmado de dolor incesante ante el signo de la cruz. San Ambrosio afirma que María exclamaba.
The live band led the way, playing solemn music as hundreds walked through the streets together. It was beautiful, still, emotional. You could feel generations of devotion in the air. There's no performance, no spectacle, just a town holding space for silence, memory, and meaning. walking through the streets, united. We were lucky enough to witness it. San Pedro de los Milagros may not be on every traveler's map, but if you get a chance to go, even just for a day, you might leave feeling like you experienced something timeless.
My name is Rob LaFond, an audiovisual producer based out of Medellín, Colombia. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, leave a comment, and stay tuned for more epic adventures. See you in the next one.